In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Lethal Company on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to download Crossover. Crossover is a Mac application that's responsible for translating Windows commands into Mac commands. So to do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to codeweavers.com, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here, you want to select Crossover in the top navigation bar, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Free Trial. From here, we want to scroll down again and you want to make sure you're on macOS, and then you want to enter in your name and email address and select Download Trial Now, which will download the installer to your Mac. Before we continue, I do want to look at how the pricing works. So to view the pricing, you want to go back to the Crossover page, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Buy Now. On the purchase page, we can scroll down and we can see three versions of Crossover. The first version is Crossover Free, which is a 14-day trial that we just downloaded. The second version is Crossover Plus, which is the full version of Crossover. However, it's important to note that this is a one-off payment and not a subscription. So when you purchase Crossover Plus, you will get 12 months of developer support, and once that support is finished, you'll still be able to play Crossover, but you will no longer receive new updates. So if you want to continue receiving updates, you need to purchase another 12 months of support. So now we've downloaded Crossover, we just need to install it, and that's very simple. All we need to do is to drag and drop it into our applications folder. And after a few seconds, once it has moved, we can go ahead and open it up. Because it's our first time, you will see this pop up, so you want to select Open. When you open it for the first time, you will see your trial information, and this will be 14 days. So you want to select Try Now. However, if you've already purchased a license, you want to select Unlock with Purchase Info, and then you want to enter in your CodeWeavers account details here, and select Unlock. And then once Crossover opens, it will look like this. Now we have Crossover installed, we just need to go ahead and download the platform that we own a copy of Lethal Company on. So for the example of this video, it's going to be Steam, so I'm going to select it. And then this will take you to the install page, where you want to select the blue install button in the top right hand corner, which will install Steam and its dependencies in its own bottle. However, I already have a test bottle, so I'm going to need to manually install it into a new bottle. So to do this, I'm going to select the drop down menu next to it, and then select a bottle, and then in the drop down menu select New Bottle, and then select Done, and then select the Install button. A bottle is an isolated container where it's going to install your Steam and game files, and these files are going to be separated from the rest of your Mac files. If you see a pop-up that looks like this is just the dependency, so you want to go ahead and install these. Eventually the Steam setup will open, so you want to go ahead and install it just as you normally would. Eventually the Steam sign-in page will open, so you want to go ahead and log into your Steam account just as you normally would. Eventually the Windows version of Steam will open and it will look like this. So now we have Steam installed, we just need to install Lethal Company. So to do that, we want to head over to our library, and then you want to select Lethal Company, and then select Install, and then go ahead and install it just as you normally would. So now Lethal Company is installed, we just need to enable DLSS upscaling inside of the Crossover application. So to do that, we first want to open Crossover, and then inside of your bottle, which is selected in the left hand side menu, you want to select Quit All Applications and wait for Steam to close. So now Steam has closed, you want to navigate to the advanced settings, and where it says DLSS, you want to toggle this on. Now you want to go ahead and open Steam, or you can open Lethal Company directly from Crossover itself. So as you can see, I have now booted into a game, and we can go ahead and start playing Lethal Company. However, if I notice my FPS isn't that great, I can go ahead and change these inside of the settings, and where it says graphics, we can simply turn these down. And if you need even better performance, you can change the pixel resolution all the way down to performance, ultra performance and retro, which is your DLSS options. So now we've done this, we can go back and we can start playing Lethal Company just as we normally would. So I'm currently on the first moon and I'm on the default settings, and we are getting well over 60 FPS. In fact, I'm probably getting 120 FPS, which is my MacBook Pro's display's refresh rate anyway. And I'm currently playing on a MacBook Pro with an M1 Pro chip. And that's it, so remember to get Crossover with the link in the description below. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.